Did you know that ineffective contractor management can cost organizations up to 30% of project value? In the complex world of technical projects, your contractor strategy is the difference between success and failure. Organizations face critical challenges in managing technical and maintenance contractors. Poor contractor management leads to project delays, quality issues, safety risks, and substantial financial losses that can devastate organizational performance and reputation. The intricate landscape of contractor relationships demands unprecedented strategic precision and comprehensive management skills. Professionals experience overwhelming pressure when coordinating complex technical projects. The psychological burden of managing multiple contractors, ensuring quality, and maintaining project timelines creates immense stress and potential career-limiting mistakes. Navigating the delicate balance of performance, communication, and expectations requires extraordinary professional resilience. This comprehensive program provides a strategic solution to contractor management challenges. Participants will master advanced contractor selection techniques, develop robust management frameworks, and learn to create high-performance project ecosystems. The program delivers practical insights, real-world case studies, and innovative approaches to transforming contractor relationships. Organizations will experience improved project delivery, reduced risk, and enhanced operational efficiency. Participants will gain the confidence to transform contractor relationships into strategic competitive advantages, positioning themselves as critical drivers of organizational success and performance. Do not let another project derail due to poor contractor management. Take control of your project success now. Enroll today and become the professional who turns contractor challenges into organizational victories.